Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Harcharan Singh, and our video for today will be on how to split cells diagonally. So we'll be learning how to do that. There are two ways how you can split cells diagonally. So we have a table here. If you see, we have the application name and the name of the person here. These are the sales numbers. So we need to insert a header in cell A4 which says these are the departments or the softwares, these are the names of the person. So how to split cell diagonally and add two headings in one cell, I'll help you with that. So just right click on this cell, go to format cell, or you can also use a shortcut control 1 to do that. So now you need to go onto borders. If you see here, you can insert a border here. So you need to insert the diagonal border which is on this side. If you click here, you can either select if you want a broader line or a thinner line. You can select the line and click on this option and the border will be there. So now it's there. Now you need to insert the text. How you can insert the text? Just write in the department. I'll mention it short, DPT, and I'll press Control and Enter so that a new line gets created in the cell itself. So Alt and Enter, Alt plus Enter. Now you need to type in names and hit Enter. You see department's names is appearing in the same line, but department needs to appear here and the names here. So I'll just do a double click and I'll insert blanks before department. So just make sure it gets till the end and hit enter. So now you have two, just color it. Now you have two headings in one cell. One is for department, one is for names. That's the first way how you can split that. The other way, you need to go to insert, select the shape which is this triangle, right triangle, click on this and press on the Alt button. Just press on the Alt key, keep it pressed and draw the shape using the mouse. Once you draw the shape, it will be inserted in the cell itself, so it will be within the cell. So now you need to enter the two headings, which is department, and you need to do the formatting so that it comes right at the top right line, and then click on this and right click, edit text, mention names here, and this is how you can split cells diagonally the other way. You can even you can even do shadings or formats of this triangle, like this bevel design. So that's how you can split cells diagonally the two ways. So if you have learned something new and you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.